Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. As you had seen in the title, today we are going to see the review of Faber-Castells, and this is a pretty good brand, you guys, and this is pretty pricey too. I mean, comparing it to the other, sketch pens. So this is about 30 rupees and it's a total of 12 color markers or sketch pens, and the colors are looking pretty cool, and just look at all of them, and it's pretty different in kind of the packaging, but yeah, so these are pretty cool. Let's just open them, and they look pretty fluorescent to be precise, I think. So let's check all the colors, let's grab them out, let's just see. First, let's go with the whatever color this is. Okay, we're going to go with a purple kind of violetish color. It's literally the same, I think you guys can see it. There we go, that is the same, that is just normal. So let's just go to the next color, and this is really nice, by the way. As you guys can see, the next color is brown, so it's pretty much like a maroon color. Let's just see. Oh, okay, I mean, it's really new, so the ink is like totally full and it's really amazing. So definitely I would give this a 10 on 10. This is amazing. Yeah, so now let's go to the next color. The next color is like kind of a dark blue, as you guys can see, kind of like not very light, not very dark, kind of similar to the sky blue. Now let's just see. This is the nib for particularly this one. In my packaging is pretty pointy, you guys can see, I think. So yeah, that is amazing. Now let's go to the next color. The colors are even more pretty in the light. I think you can see this now. Kind of colored everything, like just 2 more colors are left. So this teal blue kind of is so amazing. I think you guys can see how nice that is, and it looks really fluorescent. I just really don't know why there are no filters put, and I just don't know why. And this is a really pretty green color, my mother's favorite color. I just don't know why I also love green so much. This is a dark green, this is not light green, you guys. Can you believe that? Like, look at this. And this is the normal normal kind of light green we see, and this is pink, and I'm really disappointed with the pink. I wanted it to be a bit more darker than like all the shades, but I think this is a kind of fluorescent and baby pink color. But yeah, fine. I would just give this a 7 out of 10 and all these 10. But yeah, and pink was one of my favorite colors when I was a young kid. Comment down below what's your right now. Now here we have this beautiful orange. I really love the orange so much, and this yellow, I'm really surprised of this. Now look at this, you guys. This is yellow. This is not fluorescent. This is not fluorescent. This is fluorescent, and it still didn't put it. I want to show you guys. I mean, I don't know how the yellow is so fluorescent like this. I didn't put any filter. I just don't know how. So let's just see. See? Can you guys see that? I'm not even lying. Like, look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Now I just don't know what I'm doing, but this is so amazing. I think I'm going to complete all the ink today. But that is like glow in the dark. But if this itself, the normal yellow, is glow in the dark, just think how the real fluorescent yellow is going to be. I mean, I have high hopes. Let's just see. That kind of looks similar, but it's a bit lighter, I think you guys can see. Let me put the light and show you. Yeah, so I think you guys can see. We don't have like the biggest differences ever, but this is a bit too fluorescent, and this is like a very different kind of fluorescent yellow, like another part of other kind of fluorescent yellow. But I really am obsessed with this yellow color. This is amazing. And now, last but not the least, red. So we have to put like the biggest heart ever. Not the biggest heart ever. I have the biggest heart for you. But let's just put a big heart. In 3, 2 and 1. Now this is so beautiful, you guys. This is like the biggest hat right now. Just look at this. These are all like the smallest and this is the biggest. So, and black. I just love black so much. Let's see. Amazing, right? The black is really nice. I expected pretty less, but yeah, this is amazing. But yeah, so nice. Okay. I love black, you guys. It's just so cute. I just like all the colors. Just look at how cute they are, right? So yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.